This is just in case.
Asuntoskeyhtiö Harakan kello.
Today on the 21st of June 2022. I have filmed the Steaky Spee before, but I'm not sure if I did 2 rides or not. It's here on Harakantie, Harakkavägen 10. In the Steaky Spee in Leppävaara, Alberga, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons, 325 kilograms. It was built in 1986 by Valmet. Must have been in early 1986, with the steering buttons still. This is amazing. With 10 floors. This number is VS7219, and I found the staircase C here. I will also go to the staircase A soon. It's going to be inspected in 2024. It turned 35 years old in last year, 2021. I really like this. It's not here, but on the first floor there's the dark red radiator, and they're really lovely.
Yeah.
It's a bit warm inside.
Yes, dit bara kiva iskuttaa. Meitä nyt bara chilla.
And back to the car. We can stop the video here. So.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching, and that's it.
That's